So let me show you how to check if your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro are fully charged. Now, this cable is connected to a power outlet, and if I connect it to my buds just like that with the case closed, I'm going to see this LED indicator right here. Now, when this LED indicator changes to green, a steady green color, then that means my earbuds are fully charged. Now, or at least this case is fully charged. Now, differentiate this from when you open your case. This LED is going to turn green, and this means that it is actually your earbuds themselves that are fully charged. But once you close that and you see this amber color, it means your case is not fully charged. And once it's fully charged, this LED is going to turn green. I hope that was clear, and I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Take care and God bless.